Alright, so we have a 2024 CR-V hybrid. Now, most of the Honda vehicles are pretty much the same in terms of how you replace the interior air filter. So we're going to be working with the glove box. If you have things in your glove box, I recommend taking it out just so it's empty, because you will be flipping the glove box all the way down, and so anything that's in it will fall out. But let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is just open the glove box. I emptied it just to make it easy. And you'll notice on the side right here, there's a little piece of plastic that kind of stops it from going out any further. So you're just going to push down on that. It'll pop right off this piece right here. And as you can see, it still doesn't go down any further. So what you want to do is grab one side, just pull it in, then grab the other side and just pull it in. Once you pull both sides in, you'll see that there were little tabs that stop it from coming out any further. And this is how you have access to the air filter. So right here is the box that the air filter goes into. There's little push tabs on each side. And you can see the filter is right there. So you're just going to pull out the old filter. Now you want to be mindful of the direction. So you'll see on here it says airflow down. So when you put the new one in, you want to make sure that the airflow is going down. And in order to put everything back, you're just going to put the plastic little cover back on. Once that's back on, you're going to lift up the glove box, push in one side at a time, make sure it's back in. Then you want to make sure you realign this clip. So just pull it down, line it up, clips right back in. So once this clip is back in, you're all set. You've changed the filter, and I guarantee you it'll be a lot cheaper to do it yourself than it will be to take it to the dealership.